Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to empty your shopping cart on the Amazon shopping application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Amazon shopping application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you can use your email address and your password in order to log in. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now from here, you may browse through various different items by using the search box and also by exploring the options. If you are satisfied and want to purchase any product, then you may add this item to your shopping list by clicking on the Add to List or the Add to Cart button. Once you have items within your cart, go ahead and tap on the shopping cart menu and you will now be shown the various different items that you have added. You can click on the Save for Later option if you wish to remove this temporarily from your cart. And if you wish to clear all of your items from the shopping cart, you can simply click on each of these within the checkbox and then tap on the three dots at the right side and then tap on the delete button. Once you tap on this, it will be removed from your shopping cart right away. You may also tap on the delete icon alongside the number indicator, and through this as well, you will be able to remove the items that are in your cart. After you have removed all of them, your cart is now empty. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to empty your shopping cart on the Amazon shopping application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.